Hello students, now we are going to derive a relation for drift velocity in the term of relaxation time. That means we need to prove that Vd is equal to EV tau by ml. We want to prove it. So suppose that this is a conductor and this conductor having a large number of free electrons, and these free electrons are in random motion on a zigzag path. Let initial velocity of free electrons are u1, u2, u3, and so on un. These are the velocities of the free electron in the absence of field. In the absence of electric field. But we know that in the absence of electric field, the average velocity of these free electrons is how much? It is equal to 0. The average velocity of these free electrons is 0. Now, an electric field is applied across this conductor. When you applied an electric field, that means you are connecting with a battery, then a current will start to flow from positive to negative. This is the direction of electric field, and these are the electrons moves in opposite direction, which is called the drift velocity. But before that, children, when an electric field is applied on these electrons will experience an electrostatic force, and this electrostatic force is how much? It is equal to EE. And because of this force, they will experience acceleration, and it can controlled by Newton's law. Ma is equal to EE, so A is equal to EE by M. That means these electrons will experience an electrostatic force, and this is the acceleration. So because of this acceleration, these electrons will have different velocity. By kinematics equation, V is equal to U plus AT. So V1 is equal to U1 plus AT1, V2 is equal to U2 plus AT2, V3 is equal to U3 plus AT3, and so on. Vn is equal to Un plus Atn. So what is the total average velocity? So total average velocity will be net average velocity upon n. And this can be replaced by, if you put all these value of V1, V2, V3 in this equation, what we get? Average velocity is equal to U1 plus U2, and so on Un by n plus A T1 plus T2 Tn upon n. What I did? We put the V1 U1 plus AT1, V2 is equal to U2 plus A2, and U take the one bracket and T take the other bracket. So this is the average velocity after the field, and this is the average velocity before the field plus A, and this is the average time that is the T. And this average velocity is known as the Vd, and we know that average velocity U was 0, this is the U was 0, and plus A, this is the average time, and this is known as the relaxation time. A tau, this is the relaxation time, average time between the two successive collision. So if I put here from A is equal to E by M, I replace this small a, so Vd equal to EE tau by M. Children, we know that E is equal to voltage upon length, so I can write Vd is equal to, if I replace this E, EV tau by ml. So this is a relation between Vd is equal to EV tau by ml. Okay, you can say the whole. Thank you.